Mumbo Waro. You're welcome back to my channel. This is Master BCM TV on YouTube. This is a tutorial on how to sharpen started slipper blades. Just two sets. But we don't know whether another one will still meet us. Cleaning the back of the blade very well to make it neat. See the way I protect my masking tape. See it. Yes. Yes. Alright? Ó ti sùn. So when you sharpen your clipper blade correctly, logically, technically, okay, this design is going to give you. You can see the carbon fill the inner surface of the bottom clipper blade and the hopper from the left hand from the left hand side to the right hand side. You can see it. This one is sharpening correctly. So I want to pick the second one. You can see it again, the same type of sign. You can see it. So when you can see that sign after the testing, you have sharpened your clipper blade, the sharpening professionally, logically, technically, okay. When you treat it, you mount it on your clipper engine, it's going to work like a new clipper blade or even better than the new clipper blade. You are well sharpened. Ọ̀rẹ́ o ti sùn ni. Ọ̀rẹ́ ọmọ tó wá pọ́n bíléèdì. Bàbá o ti sùn ni. Ọ̀rẹ́ lọ́sùn nígbà tó wà ní ara rẹ̀ báyìí. Ìyàwó rẹ̀ ti jẹ́rẹ́ nù. Bẹ́ẹ̀ bá pariwo. Má tu o, má jẹ bọ́lẹ̀ o. Má tu o, ṣe ti gbọ́, ẹjọ́ wà. Bàtà rẹ̀. Ọ̀rẹ́ wa sùn lọ rẹpẹtẹ bẹ́ẹ̀. Ó dàbọ̀. Máa kí ọ̀gá. Ó dàbọ̀. These two set of clipper we have sharpened now is Tarex. Maybe you can just try Tapa clipper blade one because I'm editing video before this will come. But let's just try to sharpen just one Tapa clipper blade. That is bigger blade. Let me look for one. You see this KI is very, very difficult to sharp. The way they use this clipper blade in my environment here, very, very difficult to sharp. If you don't know the technique to sharpen it, it's very difficult to sharp because it's used to slippery at the back. This masking tape, if you don't know how to handle it very well, it will be removing from time to time. It will not allow you to sharpen the clipper blade very, very well. So let's take this one just to sharpen it, show it fully the way you can sharpen step by step. I'm using the chemical on the bottom of this one to activate the surface of the tool. So luckily there's masking tape at the back. Now, if you want to sharpen for the new subscribers, new viewer watching me, the one I did finish, those two now is for customers too. I cannot explain too much. The customer, even if the customer has slept on my bench, he has slept. I've already wake him up now. Give him the two clipper blades. No, now I want to explain for you how you can sharpen your clipper blade professionally, how you can place it on the stone. Let me check whether the screen can catch it very, very well. Let me get it closer so that I can be able to see it properly. I can be able to see it in this way. This is the stone we are going to use for now. You see, when you want to sharpen your clipper blade, you divide your stone into two. You divide the stone into two. There are some things I want to explain. You see some people, when they want to sharpen clipper blade, let me take another clipper blade to do the sample. They want to sharpen clipper blade. Look at this area. I've divided the stone into two. They now place their blade maybe in this way anyhow they place it. Instead of them to use one side for one side, the other side for the other side, they will now be using only one side of the stone like this for sharpening one side. When they want to sharpen here again, they still use the other side like this. It's wrong. You are going to spoil the surface of the stone, or you take only this side. You sharpen here. After you want to sharpen here, now you still maintain here again. It's not good. When you divide your clipper blade into two like this, you divide it into two, you divide it into four places like this. Then you want to see where you want to place your thumb. From center here to here, this is where to place your thumb for the first side. From here to here, this is a place to place your thumb for the other side. You see it? Now, if you want to sharpen this side now you want to sharpen it. You divide your blade into two like this. You want to sharpen this side, you divide the stone into two. The stone you divide into two. You sharpen one side for the other side for half part of the stone. The second part of the clipper blade here, you sharpen it at the other half part of the stone here. So after the sharpening now, you have used totally the whole surface of the stone. That is the way to sharpen your stone. That is the way to sharpen your clipper blade. Now let us sharpen this one as a tapper clipper blade. This KI is difficult to sharp. It deals with techniques. Now we are going to use the upper clipper blade. We are going to sharpen it on the soft stone. You take your oil. You use biscuit bowl, special stone to spread the oil. You can see the way I'm spreading it to cover the whole surface. You see the way I'm doing it. Let me see whether the camera can pick it. Yes, camera can pick it. You see like this. Then you now take your biscuit bone to draw the surface. You see like this. I've used biscuit bone to draw the surface. You can see the surface of the biscuit bone to draw it. Now after you apply your kerosene, then you can use your finger. You spread it. You don't pack it like this. You see the way I'm tapping it, just to spread it. You see now everything has covered up. That's covered up. So after now, you take your blade. Then I have three different ways in positioning my blade for sharpening. Number one is scissors method. You place your blade in this way. This is 45-degree method or scissors. 45-degree method. This is what carefully. This angle 0, this angle 180. When you put it upright, this angle 90. When you divide the angle 90 into 2, this angle 45 degree. This is how I managed to get angle 45 degree. So if you want to sharpen here now, you use half part here. If you want to sharpen here, you use the other part of the stone. You see it in that way. Let us go 20 times. That is 20 times. You clean the back of your blade. You know, in the first one I sharpened, it was when the thing dropped before I clean it, because the customer is around waiting for me in a hurry. That was why. And as a professional, you can use any other way to sharp to make your sharpening faster. Once you are perfect, You want to sharpen the other side now. We have using this side. Here I place my hand. We are using here for here. Now if we want to sharpen here, then we are going to use the other side here. That is to and fro 20 times. To and fro 20 times. Let me show you. You still need to repeat it one time. The shining has not shown very well. It has not shown very well. You need to repeat it one time, just one time. You apply your oil. Yeah, let me show you now. You can see it now. It has sharpened correctly, logically, technically, okay. We have gotten the total flatness and total shining across. Sharpened correctly now. So we are going to use quartz stone. This is quartz. This one is smooth surface. This one is normal surface. This one is quartz surface. So we are going to use quartz for the button clipper blade to make our work faster, so that we won't delay much of our time. Sharpening only one clipper blade. You see the way I've sharpened two sets now. You shouldn't be delaying your work. You cannot say because you are using the stone to sharp, because many people complain that you cannot use stone like sharper. It's a big lie. You can use your stone like a sharper, like electric clipper blade sharpening machine, very, very fast. This one we don't use special stone on the quartz surface and the normal surface. We only use this special stone on the smooth surface. You blow it to cover up. You see it has covered up. You clean your fingers very well, your hand. Then we now go for the button clipper blade. That is 30 times. You clean the back of your blade. Then the treatment has getting finished, it has split out. You need to replace it back. Don't let it touch the back of your blade, so that your hand will not be slippery at the back of the blade. So we went through and through 30 times for one side here. We use half part of the stone to sharpen it. Then the second time, now we are going to use the second half part of the stone to sharpen it. That is through and through 30 times. That is 30 times. That is 30 times. Let us watch. Let me clean it and watch carefully now. Let us observe it. Let us observe it. Let me come and show you. Can you see now? It's sharpening correctly. So even if you are using sharper, you can't fast more than this. The way I'm sharpening it now, you cannot fast more than this. If I thought you want to be faster than this one, it has to be a little bit faster than the way I'm doing it, because I'm using sharper here too. So tutorial for sharper is still coming. It's coming on the way. That is why I'm saying you try to subscribe to this channel, press the notification button. The moment I'm on live, I will not be doing videos now. VOD. Only the live I'll be coming out, doing live. Anytime I come on live. You can see it. Now because of the fuel oil on the surface, I don't want to waste this masking tape. That's why I place it that way. Yeah. Why is network fluctuating? Network fluctuating. Network problem. The network is fluctuating. I don't know what is happening with the phone. Oh, you cannot flip back to see the back. You cannot flip back to see the studio again.